Using the Pixis and Ursa Cine, you've probably noticed that the USB-C cables that come with the monitor in EVF have thumb screws that are a little bit too small for normal fingers to use, and you end up having to use an Allen wrench to install them. So what we've done is we've made two types of extension knob. One is short and wide, and one is long and thin. The short and wide one goes onto the right angle connector. So you can actually just push this down over the thumb screw knob. It's easiest when this is actually installed on the camera. Just put a lot of force on that until it stops. And now you can unlock this or lock it with regular sized hands. These are 3D printed out of a TPU, which is 95A or harder. And if you print this yourself, just make sure that the fit is very tight so that you actually can turn the knob without this slipping. And before we did this demo, I actually had to cut these off so these won't fall off accidentally during your production. So again, it's easiest if you have this tightened on there a little bit, and then you can push the knob cover all the way down. And now even with this, the straight connector here, you have a little bit of bend with that flexible TPU shaft, so you can actually grab this more easily and disconnect the cable for packing your bag. The USB-C knob covers are available now at mid49.com.